Viewers, the Congress Party's defense of the Places of Worship Act in Supreme Court is not just a legal maneuver, but a reminder of the political strategy of appeasement, one that fundamentally undermines principles of secularism and equality. Viewers, this legislation freezes the religious character of places of worship as it stood on August 15, 1947. Essentially shutting down any legal claims by Hindus, Jains, Buddhists and Sikhs for the restoration of their historically significant places of worship that were destroyed or converted by invaders over centuries. Viewers, at its core, this law prioritizes the status quo over justice, essentially endorsing historical wrongs by placing a legal ban on correcting them. This is, viewers, according to me, subterfuge, not secularism. This is selective amnesia legislated into law, where the scars of the past are not healed, but hidden under the guise of maintaining peace. The Congress's notion, viewers, that altering or even examining this law would endanger secularism or sovereignty is a complete misnomer. The Worship Act has become a tool to perpetuate discord by denying communities the right to reclaim their cultural and religious heritage through legal means, viewers. The emphasis is on legal means. It's not as if people are just randomly going to a place of worship and saying, this is ours, vacate this. Viewers, if sovereignty is about the integrity and unity of the nation, then laws like these fracture that unity by fostering resentment among those who see their faith and history being legally marginalized. Viewers, the Congress's defense of the act in Supreme Court reveals a strategy of political appeasement. The truth behind the move is clear. It's not about safeguarding secularism, but about safeguarding a narrative, safeguarding a vote bank. This is not the secularism India needs. It's a distortion that history will judge harshly.
Reopening the Pandora box, but lead where? And they want to that India should break. They are indulged in such activities, divide, hatred, communalism.
Congress party now has a history of constantly trying to make a legal issue into a political one. First get involved into a petition, then they start making the news and the press conferences around it and politicizing it. Then they start criticizing the court and the judges by saying that this was not like this, it should have been done like that.
इस वक्त चुनाव मत सोचिए, इस वक्त आने वाली नस्लों के भविष्य के बारे में सोचिए।
कोई भी व्यक्ति प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप के डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ कैरेक्टर के लिए कोर्ट जाए, सर्वे कोर्ट से हो, तो वो सांप्रदायिक है। मतलब हिंदू कम्युनिटी को ये भी अधिकार नहीं कि वो कोर्ट चले जाए अपने धार्मिक अधिकारों के लिए, और दूसरी ओर एक वोट बैंक को तो संपूर्ण अधिकार है।
Let's open this up. Ratan Sharda, Ishtaran Bhandari, Danish Qureshi, political analyst, Lokesh Jindal, Vivek Srivastava, and Vivek Silas, the national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, with us. Lokesh, the Congress files a plea in the Supreme Court to back the Places of Worship Act. Now, what has sovereignty got to do with Places of Worship Act? First, explain that. Then I have a few questions.
Well, Pranesh, the Places of Worship Act is in accordance to the Constitution of India. The very term secularism, as incorporated in the preamble, it contains the term sovereignty, secularism, democracy. So when we are talking about upholding the very sanctity of these aspects, these characteristic features in the Constitution, if even one is compromised, the other one falls within the domain of the domino effect.
I understand the principle. Tell me how the Places of Worship Act will affect whatever the judgment be, or whatever alterations, if any, are made. How will it impact sovereignty?
Yes. Pranesh, when the state fails to protect the rights of the minorities or those who are not the people of the majority community, the sovereign character of the state gets compromised. That means that the state
Sikhs and
will
Buddhists are
not
not minority.
be doing what it is supposed to do as per the
Sikhs
Constitution.
and Buddhists are not minority.
Sorry?
Sikhs and Buddhists,
They
are
are
they
also
minority,
minorities.
yes or no?
Yes, yes,
Then,
yes.
no,
certainly.
why should this country
In fact,
suffer
Hindus are
Congress's
minorities-
definition of one
Hindus are
minute?
minorities
Why
in
should
Jammu
this
Kashmir.
one minute? And for how long will this country suffer the Congress's definition of what minority means?
Pranesh, in every state, for example, Hindus would be in minority in Jammu and Kashmir. Over there, if there is any form of
That
an
is not
onslaught-
my
No,
question,
wait a
Lokesh.
minute. No,
We've
no,
done
no.
debates on
Pranesh,
that.
let
You
me-
know
let
what
me-
my position is. I am asking you a larger question. When you are, have you inserted the word sovereignty just to, make the document, affidavit, what have you, more fancy? Ishtaran, what has sovereignty got to do with this?
Yes.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव आप म्यूट पे हैं, मैं अभी आऊंगा आपके
What
पास.
has fighting the Indian state? Pranesh, what has fighting the Indian state got to do with fighting the BJP? Indian state is the army, the air force, the armed forces. In fact, even PSU, certain institutions which have been also termed under the Abbott for the purposes of filing a writ petition. So everything is an Indian state. Election Commission is also Indian state. What was the purpose of that speech? Please don't ask me question which only Congress's mind can answer. How a law which denies Hindus the right to go to court and a challenge to that law is a thing which can affect the sovereignty of India. The very simple meaning of it is the right to govern a nation, the power of a nation. So it is of course not going to affect the sovereignty. But the larger point which is to be discussed here is this. I am very happy Congress has filed this petition, intervention petition. And I'll tell you the reason. The Congress, what it is doing subtly, now it is doing openly. It is very clear what is its viewpoint. And it is an admirable thing that they are bringing this viewpoint in front of people. While they were in power in UPA, in the Supreme Court, they filed an affidavit doubting the historical existence of Bhagwan Ram. They were pressurized, probably embarrassed, and that is why they had to withdraw it. But then, later you had Manish Shankar here mocking Bhagwan Ram and saying things like 10,000 rooms, which room was he born in? Now Congress in Ram Mandir case, I was there in the court, they argued, not Congress, lawyers and big ministers, former ministers of Congress, they argued that this case be heard after 2019. They expected they might win in 2019 and then they might be able to bring in laws. Now that they have lost 19 and 24, Ram Mandir has been built, they are finally moving in intervention. So it is in a long line of their clear-cut agenda, a long line from bringing this law which denies the Hindus the right to go to court. It is, you cannot get any property or any temple, any building, any land without going to court. The right to go to court is the part of basic structure. Only in emergency was this suspended. So I am very happy that Congress has taken this stand. The court has given the government 4 weeks to take its stand, and I'm very sure the government will take a strong, emphatic stand, which is needed to be taken, that this law is an unconstitutional law.
Well, we don't know about what the government will do, but on multiple occasions, the government had a chance to clear its stand, Ishtaran. And we know what the government do. The government has been dithering. Look at the BJP. Leaders of the BJP, spokespeople, what have you, have been tweeting about it, but they're not on the panel. You see, they must take a stand, at least walk the talk. And by the way, why was the BJP waiting for the Congress party to go to the court to take a stand? For them, it is easy to, call the Congress the new Muslim League. The BJP must say that this law must be scrapped. Just do away with it. Vivek Srivastav, you are nodding in head.
Yes.
In disbelief,
I'm happy
agreement,
at
kya
least-
tha?
No, I was in agreement with you. I was in agreement with you that at least you are saying that the BJP is not willing to take a stand. और पैनलों पे इस टॉपिक पे कोई भी स्पोक्स पर्सन अक्रॉस द पैनल्स जा ही नहीं रहा है क्योंकि दे डू नॉट नो व्हाट टू से. देखिए, इट इज नॉट द क्वेश्चन ऑफ सॉवरेनिटी एंड सेक्युलरिज्म अलोन. There are many other clauses in the constitution.
No, we will go to other clauses. You first explain to me what has sovereignty got to do with it. Then we
Absolutely,
then we will have a debate on secularism.
Yes. First of all, I want to correct you. You said it is the Muslims, the Jains, it is the Jains, the Buddhists, and the Hindus and the Sikhs on one side, and it is the Islamic invaders on the other. Sorry,
I
sir,
didn't
you are
say
wrong.
that. I said invaders.
सुन लीजिए, अब
Now,
आप सुनिए.
you have
This
a
is a
better
worship
sense
act.
of history, perhaps. So you are filling the blanks. उसमें क्या दिक्कत है?
No, not filling the blanks. You said it to Lokesh कि भैया the Jains and the
Yeah,
Buddhists
because
don't
his
have
worldview about what minority means is only Muslims. That is not right, sir.
No, अब आप सुन लीजिए. सोमनाथ मंदिर excavation very recently, a 3-story Buddhist stupa has been found. should what should we do? Change the structure of the Somnath temple? I want somebody to take a stand over here.
I'm telling you, go to court. Go to court.
No. Okay, fine. Go to court. Good. So that means 84,000 Buddhist stupas, including the Shankaracharya peats, which are supposed to be Buddhist structures, they have been contested. However, because of the Places of Worship Act, the Buddhist community decided not to go ahead. You want them also to go ahead and fight out the case?
What's the wrong?
Great.
No. What?
Oh,
No. What's?
excellent, excellent.
There is nothing wrong
Excellent.
fundamentally,
No,
sir.
no,
You have a
nothing
problem. Go
wrong
to
right
look.
now, sir.
Ishkaran has made it clear. That's the baseline. 1 minute.
Let me move
Let
forward.
me underline that. The Constitution of India, sir, allows every Indian to have a legal recourse. Every Indian. So these people who wave the Samvidhan, copy of the Samvidhan, say Jai Samvidhan, they are, by backing this law, undermining the very Constitution that they say we will uphold. That's the problem, Vivek Srivastava. Get it right.
Of Constitution is bad. You are speaking and speaking and speaking. Well, I am supposed to speak. It is half knowledge of the Constitution. The Constitution बहुत बड़ा है. उसमें आर्टिकल 14 भी है. उसमें फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन के अंदर फ्रीडम ऑफ प्रेस भी है, फ्रीडम ऑफ राइटिंग भी है, और ये क्लियरली लिखा गया है कि ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं कहना या लिखना या बोलना या ब्रॉडकास्ट करना है जिससे कम्युनल हार्मोनी डिस्टर्ब हो.
नहीं तो किससे?
और
Are
अगर
you
इस
saying
act से-
अयोध्या वर्डिक्ट से
Listen,
कम्युनल हार्मनी
अगर इस
डिस्टर्ब
तरह
हुई?
मैं आपको Constitution
अयोध्या
उल्टा-
अयोध्या
उल्टा-
वर्डिक्ट से कम्युनल हार्मनी डिस्टर्ब हुई?
हाँ सुनिए,
सच बोलने से
सुनिए।
कम्युनल हार्मनी
सर, मुझे
डिस्टर्ब
बोलने
होती
तो
है?
दीजिए ना सर, आप मुझे बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं. आप ही अपना उपदेश दिए जा रहे हैं. एक एजेंडा लेकर के आप आ गए हैं, आपने एक पैकेज चलाया, उसके बाद आप वही चीज आप बार बार बोले जा रहे हैं. आई हैव टू स्पीक सर, नॉट यू. इस देश के अंदर दलितों और बैकवर्डों को मारा गया, पीटा गया, पानी नहीं दिया, खाना नहीं दिया, और सेंचुरी से हुआ है. क्या चाहते हैं? गड़े मुड़ते उठा उठा करके लोग केस करें एक दूसरे के ऊपर. आउट ऑफ द वे जा रहा हूं मैं. सो सर्टेन थिंग्स हैव टू बी बरीड टू मूव फॉरवर्ड. Certain things, certain atrocities, certain injustices in the history, it has to be buried to move forward.
Okay.
दो भाई अगर लड़े हैं तो आप कहते हो साहब कोर्ट में जाओ, लड़ो, मरो, कटो, लेकिन दोस्ती मत करो.
I
एक
am
दूसरे के
glad
गुनाहों को
विवेक
बुलाओ.
श्रीवास्तव, देखिए ट्रूथ हैज अ हैबिट ऑफ कमिंग आउट. एटलीस्ट आप मान रहे
No, it is not
इंजस्टिस
truth.
हुई थी,
It is not
उसको
about
बेरी
truth.
कर
It is about
दीजिए.
relationships.
चलिए, दैट्स अ गुड
It is
स्टार्ट.
about
विवेक श्रीवास्तव आपने बोल
It is
दिया
about
सर्टेन
love,
इंजस्टिसेस
compassion,
हैव टू बी
relationship and
बेरीड.
respect for each
इट्स
other.
ओके. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, देखिए सच निकल जाता है. आप उसको
नहीं,
कितने
आप
भी
नहीं
नीचे
चाहते
बेरी
ना.
करें, वो निकल जाता है.
आप लड़ाइयां करवाइए.
लड़ाइयां
आप
करवा रहा हूं. मैंने
करवाइए.
आपको बुलाया. अगर आपसे मैं सवाल पूछूं एंड यू स्टार्ट अब्यूजिंग द एंकर,
मैंने नहीं.
इट
आपको
रिफ्लेक्ट्स
abuse
ऑन
किया,
यू.
बिल्कुल, सर.
अभी आपने क्या क्या बोल दिया?
आपको
उपदेश
abuse
देते हैं, ये देते हैं, वो देते हैं. आप ऐसे गुस्सा क्यों हो जाते हैं विवेक श्रीवास्तव?
नहीं, मैं गुस्सा
सवाल
नहीं कर
पूछ
रहा,
रहा हूं मैं.
आपसे बता
यू
रहा
कैन
हूं,
चूज
दलितों
नॉट
के
टू आंसर.
atrocities के
डू आई
लिए
पुट अ गन? नो
1000
1
साल
मिनट.
पुराने केसेस अगर पता चले तो खोले जाएं.
तो विवेक श्रीवास्तव कौन? दिस इज नॉट आर्बिट्री प्रोसेस. पीपल गो टू कोर्ट. ईस्टरन ने बोल तो दिया. ईस्टरन एक्चुअली इन हिज फर्स्ट आंसर हैज सेटल्ड द डिबेट. But you are going on and on because you are in denial. Ishtaran, let me bring in
I'm not
Ratan
in denial,
Sharda.
sir.
I'll come to you
I'm
after
not in
that.
denial.
Ratan Sharda, what do you make of the arguments you've heard from Lokesh and Vivek Srivastava so far?
Well, first of all, Vivek is the last person to speak on Constitution because Communist Party of India opposed Constitution. They rebelled against Constitution. They rebelled in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. Ultimately, they were crushed militarily when they came to Parliament Constitution. And then they suffered on that because that government was disbanded in 1959 with the same Congress. Now, further, if what is the Waqf Board Act which they passed in 1995? Does it not go against the spirit of the Constitution or equality of religions? Does it does not go against every other community except Muslims, that they can demand any land without any paper and a document? And further, see, Buddha, Jain and Hindus have coexisted peacefully, happily for centuries. You go to Ellora caves, is there any fight? Go to Karla cave, any fight? Go to any old caves, go to any other place, there is no fight at all. He says SC/ST ने भुगता, उसका रिफॉर्म किसने किया? हिंदू समाज ने किया. रिजर्वेशन किसने किया? हिंदू समाज ने किया. सो आप भूल जाएं, आप कहते हैं कि इस्लाम के तो सारे एट्रोसिटी हम भूल जाएं, लेकिन ब्राह्मणों के मत भूलें. So that is your argument which goes flat against your entire speech. Jindal talks about secularism as part of the preamble. My dear friend, secularism was inserted in Constitution in 1976, violating the spirit of founders of the Constitution when entire opposition was in jail. So don't try to tell us that this is part of the original Constitution, because they believe, because Hindus are in majority, there is always secularism in this country. They didn't want the word to be in the Constitution. You inserted it. Then you say, should Hindus always carry, I am asking you, to Hindus always to carry the cross of secularism? they have to pay the price. So Muslims can change the place of worship in the Gyanvapi after independence in 1993 by stopping the worship on that particular part of the Gyanvapi.
Right.
They can change the structure of the Sambal Mosque by stopping ASI, throwing it out, renovating the entire place against the ASI principles. They can sell their souls. They can make a new trust, Congress people, and hand over the Janmabhoomi or Krishna Bhoomi to Eidgah on what rights? So you can actually, violate the spirit of the entire place of worship perfect, but you will want Hindus to carry on. In the entire world, civilizations have gone ahead. Muslims have changed the churches to mosques. Christians have changed mosques to churches. The latest example is Turkey, where a church converted to museum was converted to a mosque without any.
No, and
any kind
Ratan
of
Sharda,
struggle by
the question
Yeah.
is, what are they
nobody
fearing?
spoke about it.
Vivek Srivastava
Nobody spoke
concedes
about it.
certain injustices will have to be
And
buried.
he
Why?
says minority.
What
Just a
is
moment.
there to fear? Vivek
Just a moment.
Silas.
Just give me 10 seconds.
Okay.
Give me 10 seconds.
Make your points.
They say Hindus are a minority in 6 states. Don't fool the people. Hindus do not enjoy minority rights in any states because their minority status is decided on the national level, but their act are forced upon Hindus as minorities don't have right as minorities on the very act which are used by other minorities. Tell me if it is true or not. Tell me, please speak up. Tell me whether Hindus have minority rights in the states where they are in minority.
First of all, you are technically and factually and historically incorrect when you said that the Hindus have been very gracious to the Buddhists. The Buddhists were persecuted, almost wiped out, moved to China, via China to Japan. So today Thailand, China, Japan, Korea, Cambodia,
1 minute,
India.
China, 1 minute, sir, 1 minute.
Yes.
Mr. Srivastava, China, do you know what Chinese are doing to the Uyghur Muslims?
I think we are, अब आप वो यूगर मुस्लिम का पुराना किस्सा मेरे पास
नहीं, पुराना किस्सा मतलब क्यों पुराना किस्सा? अभी आप बोल रहे हैं पुराना किस्सा, ये पुराना कैसे हो जाता है? ये पुराना किस्सा कैसे हो जाता है? वीगर, अभी देखिए चाइना आप ही गए थे, मैं तो इंडिया में ही था, आप चाइना तक गए, आप गए ना चाइना? विवेक श्रीवास्तव, डिड आई utter the word China? Did I utter the word China? I didn't.
सुनिए सर,
It has touched a raw nerve. देखिए अब आपको दिक्कत हो रही है. Speak up for the Muslims, sir. Please speak up for the Muslims.
Sir, I have to speak now. 10 seconds. अब आप सुन लीजिए. Pakistan says there is no persecution. Saudi Arabia says no persecution. Dubai says no persecution. Gulf के सारे देश कह रहे हैं, including Iran, no persecution of Muslims.
पाकिस्तान,
प्रणेश रॉय कह रहे हैं कि
पाकिस्तान,
persecution है.
सर
क्योंकि
फॉरगेट
इनको
प्रणेश
BJP
रॉय,
आगे बढ़ाना
मैं
है.
बता रहा हूँ विवेक श्रीवास्तव, प्रणेश
आप
कौन होता है?
बताइए ना सर, कौन सा
मैं जो
मुस्लिम
बोल रहा हूँ
कंट्री
सुनिए,
कह
ध्यान
रहा
से
है
सुनिए.
कि persecution
डोंट
of
सर, यू
Muslims
डोंट हैव टू
चलना
गो,
है.
no, you don't have to go
मुझे मत
by
सुनाइए.
1 minute, sir. You don't have to go by what Pranesh is saying. आप you believe in Pakistan? You believe in Pakistan?
I believe, अगर
आप बताइए, do you believe in Pakistan?
ब्रदरहुड ऑफ इस्लाम पे रोज
ब्रदरहुड ऑफ इस्लाम, शेयर्ड आइडेंटिटी, द ग्लोबल उम्मा. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, आप फंस जाएंगे. एक वीगर मुस्लिम्स पे आपसे जवाब नहीं आ रहा है. अब आप शेयर्ड आइडेंटिटी पे मैं पूछूंगा तो फिर आप फिर गुस्सा हो जाएंगे. ऐसे मत कीजिए.
मैंने आपसे सीधा सवाल पूछा भाई.
मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं, आप बोल रहे हैं गड़े मुर्दे उखाड़ रहे हो. आई एम आस्किंग यू, व्हाई शुड वी हैव अ लॉ दैट बार्स पीपल फ्रॉम गोइंग टू कोर्ट, फ्रॉम सीकिंग लीगल रिकोर्स? और आप लोग दो सो कॉल्ड चैंपियंस ऑफ जस्टिस हैं, कहां हैं? व्हाई आर यू नॉट प्रोटेस्टिंग अगेंस्ट इट? यू शुड बी होल्डिंग अ प्लकार्ड ऑन द शो. यू शुड से आई वांट दिस एक्ट स्क्रैप्ड. So should the BJP. The BJP can't do this, slam Congress and not take a position. Ishtaran, you were making a point.
Yes, one point, because our friend Vivek Srivastava said that Pranesh is talking about the treatment of Muslims in China. Let me quote to him from New York Times. Nothing to do with Pranesh. Or a UN report which says China has re-education centers where vast number of people in the far western Jinnang region are being put, who are largely Muslim groups, they are being detained and they are being tortured with prison sentences, etc., etc. So this is a New York Times report on a new United Nations report. Let's be very clear. Now, Vivek Srivastava, do you have the guts to speak on China, a word of what the UN has found and what New York Times has reported?
The UN has found many things, sir. UN has found many things. The foreign media has found many things, even about Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Sri Narendra Modi at that time. So let us not go into it. Foreign media
let us go
caused the
into
Prime
it.
Minister divided
I am
and
willing to go into it. Vivek Srivastava, let us go into. Where do you want to go? Tell me.
Foreign
Where do you want to go?
calls by Prime Minister divider in chief. आप कर दीजिए endorse.
Eastern has taken you to
कर दीजिए
America.
ना सर, और दो-दो बार
One minute.
Times Magazine ने
एक
बोला
बात
था,
बताइए, Pranesh edits the New York Times. Who edits the New York Times, sir? और न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स पे नहीं मान रहे.
करिए ना सर, न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स को फॉलो करिए ना. मैंने
आप लोग फॉलो करते हैं, आप लोग फॉलो करते हैं सर, आप लोग फॉलो करते हैं. दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. यू सी विवेक श्रीवास्तव, 1 minute. आई एम श्योर यू आर अबाउट, यू नो, अवेयर ऑफ द पब्लिक सेंटिमेंट, यू नो हाउ योर कमेंट्स आर रिसीव्ड. उसके बाद भी नाइट आफ्टर नाइट वी हैव यू टू डिस्कस इश्यूज. आपसे इफ यू टॉक अबाउट चाइना, यू शुड बी रेडी टू देन टेक अ स्टैंड. आपने पूछा कि उसका क्या करना चाहिए, मैंने बोला इफ यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम, इफ यू हैव द प्रूफ, गो टू कोर्ट. आप बोल दीजिए कि चाइना परसिक्यूट करता है. एंड यू टॉकिंग अबाउट पाकिस्तान. डू यू नो हाउ मुस्लिम्स आर परसिक्यूटेड देयर? पाकिस्तान करता है सर. अब आपको पता है, लेकिन आप बोलेंगे नहीं बिकॉज यू हैव दिस वॉर्प्ड आइडिया अबाउट, यू नो, सेक्युलरिज्म इन योर हेड. दैट नीड्स टू चेंज. विवेक साइलस, कांग्रेस पार्टी, समाजवादी पार्टी, ये इंडिया अलायंस, all of you are backing this worship act. Is this secular in nature?
I think the Bharatiya Janata Party should have participated in today's debate. I don't know why they are shying away. Because when it comes to the power of the Chief Minister of Delhi, when the Supreme Court gives a judgment, in the Parliament it's turned over and nothing happens. When it comes to the Chief Justice of India, the appointment of Chief Justice of India, or participating in the Chief Election Commission, Chief Election Commissioner, it's turned over. The Chief Justice is not required because that suits the Bharatiya Janata Party. But today the Bharatiya Janata Party is not participating because they have nothing else to say.
We don't know.
The Bharatiya Janata Party should have...
We don't know, Vivek Silas. We don't know why the BJP is not here. But I am not mincing my words. Look, the message must go. It's clear. The hypocrisy stands out because if you slam the Congress and don't take a position yourself, what should the people make of it?
I am not slamming.
I am asking you, you are not the BJP, you are the Samajwadi Party. Yes. Take a stand. Is this law, the Places of Worship Act 1991, secular in nature?
I said even if you have a slightest of doubt that something could hamper the harmony of our esteemed country, it should be dealt with extreme caution. That is what I mean to say. And thankful to Mohan Bhagwat ji, what he said, we all know what he said, कि हर मस्जिद के नीचे शिवलिंग मत ढूंढिए. That was said by Sir Sanchalak Mohan Bhagwat ji. Right now someone was saying...
One minute, Sir Sanchalak, 1 minute, sir, 1 minute.
Wait, let me complete.
Sir
you have a bad habit of coming in
No, Vivek Silas ji, I have a bad habit of stopping people when they, you know, veer off the track. मैं बस ये बोल रहा हूँ, Sir Sanchalak, with due respect, can't be the spokespersons of all Hindus. They run an organization.
Yes.
If people like Vishnu Jain and whoever else, you know, there could be other individuals. If they have a problem, they should be allowed to go to court. They have all the right. सर संचालक ने और भी कुछ बोला है. अभी मैं पढ़ूं तो फिर आप बोलेंगे नहीं ये तो आरएसएस ने फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल में पार्ट नहीं किया. विवेक श्रीवास्तव फिर चिल्लाने लगेंगे. मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं, समाजवादी पार्टी को क्या लगता है?
नहीं, समाजवादी पार्टी को सिर्फ ये लगता है कि देश की अखंडता, यहां की जो हार्मनी है, जो पीस है, वो किसी तरह से भी डिस्टर्ब नहीं होनी चाहिए. बस हमको यही लगता है.
तो इस
और इस तरह से आपने देखा नहीं कहां क्या हो रहा है.
क्या बताइए ना,
क्या हो रहा है? क्या बता रहा हूं, क्या खुदवा के पूछवा रहे हैं? क्या हमको आगे बढ़ना है, आगे बढ़ के कुछ करना है, देश को आगे लेके जाना है. आज देश की क्या स्थिति है, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट की क्या स्थिति है. आज आप डॉलर को देख लीजिए कहां जा रहा है. लोगों के इन्फ्लेशन कहां पहुंच गया है. बॉर्डर्स की क्या प्रॉब्लम है, इस पर कोई बात ही नहीं है. मंदिर खुदेगा, मस्जिद खुदेगा, बुद्ध के मंदिर खुदेंगे, चर्चेस तोड़े जाएंगे या मंदिरों पे हमला होगा. जो भी होगा इससे देश को क्या मिलने वाला है भाई? क्या मिलने वाला है मुझे बताइए.
इस तरह क्या मिलेगा देश को इससे? Why should people go to court? Because it will trigger.
Let me answer.
Trigger, you know.
I said that might have
that might
trigger the harmony
that
of the
might
country.
disturb harmony. कोई की बात है.
Yes, Pranesh, it's a question to me. Let me answer. It's a question to me. Do you know what Dr. Ambedkar said about Article 32? Basically, your right to go to court for enforcement of fundamental rights. He said it's the heart and soul. Because what is Article 14, 19, 21 if you can't enforce it against the government, against a bureaucrat? It is meaningless. It's an empty letter. That is why your right to go to court was called the heart and soul. Now, this law, Places of Worship Act, takes the heart and soul away from the Sanatani community.
Then ask the
and
Bharatiya
does
Janata
not
Party
allow
to
people to go
abolish
to
this
court,
act.
which is in
Why the
direct
Bharatiya Janata Party is not
violation of the-
abolishing
one
this
second,
act?
please.
They are in
Don't
power.
interrupt.
बोलने दीजिए.
They were in power for last
Let
10
me
years.
make
What
my
were they
point.
doing?
That I
Let me
said-
make
What were
my
they
point.
doing for the last 10 years?
I can finish my
When
point.
they had the
let him
complete
finish my point.
control over the Parliament of India, what were they doing?
Let him answer.
Because they
said
want
it.
to continue these
Vivek
things.
Silas, I said it. Didn't you hear that? I said it. I said it. The BJP
can
must
I
take a
finish my
stand. The
point?
government must take a stand and submit its stand in the Supreme Court.
Yes.
Let me bring in Danish Qureshi. Danish Qureshi, if people go to court, how will that affect peace and harmony?
प्राणेश, सबसे पहले तो मैं एक बात ये कहूंगा कि आज पैनल में भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रवक्ता नहीं है। आपके कोऑर्डिनेटर कमेटी ने कॉल नहीं किया या फिर कॉल आने के बावजूद भी वो आए नहीं। द सुपीरियर स्टैंड शुड बी होल्ड बाय भारतीय जनता पार्टी हु इज इन द रूलिंग सेंट्रल पावर। अब सवाल यह है कि सेंट्रल में रूलिंग होने के बावजूद भी वो अपना स्टैंड नहीं ले पा रहे। बैरिस्टर असदुद्दीन ओवैसी साहब, नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स उन्होंने उनसे पूछा कि आप इस पर स्टैंड बताइए, देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी अपना स्टैंड बताइए, प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट पर स्टैंड बताइए, लेकिन उन्होंने नहीं बताया। संभल वाला मामला जब ऊपर पहुंचा तब जाके अदालत में ये बात निकल के आई कि भाई इसमें सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जो है वो अपना स्टैंड क्लियर करे। अब आप मुझे ये बताइए, पावर में आप है, प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट का कानून आप बना सकते हैं, आप एफिडेविट कर सकते हैं, आप बढ़ाइए ना उसको, क्योंकि आप भी जानते हैं कि देश में होगा क्या आपकी इन चीजों से। ना प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट में कांग्रेस का जो मामला निकल के आता है,
क्या होगा दानिश कुरैशी, मैं जानना चाहता हूं क्या होगा। विवेक श्रीवास्तव भी बोल रहे हैं कुछ होगा, विवेक साइलस भी बोल रहे हैं कुछ होगा। बता क्यों नहीं रहे आप लोग क्या होगा? क्या होगा
मैं बताऊं,
कुछ नहीं होगा। मैं कह रहा हूं टाइम्स नाउ के ऑफिस के नीचे
मैं बताऊं
मंदिर है, खुदवाइएगा इसको।
मैं बताऊं,
कल मैं क्लेम कर दूं कि टाइम्स नाउ के ऑफिस के नीचे मंदिर है, अब चलिए तोड़वाइए सब।
तो आप कोर्ट जाइए ना, हमने रोका है विवेक आपको।
कितने लोग कोर्ट जाएंगे, कितने लोग
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कोई नंबर थोड़ी है कि इतने लोग नहीं जा सकते।
कल बुद्धिस्ट खड़े हो जाएंगे।
अब आप अखिलेश जी वहां बोलते हैं कि कुंभ में लोग नहीं गए, आप बोलते हैं कितने लोग कोर्ट जाएंगे। क्या दिक्कत है? जाने दीजिए ना लोगों को कोर्ट, लेट देम गो टू कोर्ट। Is there a bar on the number of people who can see
जनता पार्टी डिबेट में तो आ नहीं रही,
बार वही बोलेंगे। मैंने बोल दिया, मैंने खुद ही बोल दिया आप लोगों से पहले
डिबेट में आने से डर रही है।
विवेक साइलस, मैंने तो वो बोल दिया आप लोगों से पहले। मैंने बोला कि बीजेपी ने स्टैंड इस पे लेना चाहिए, सरकार को कोर्ट बताना चाहिए।
कंडेम देम,
I condemn the BJP and the central government for dithering on this.
Thank you.
Let me now call out the others. दानिश कुरैशी, क्या दिक्कत हो जाएगी देश में, बताइए।
जी मैं बताऊं, जवाब सुन लीजिए। आप मुझे ये बताइए कि 1992 में हमारे एक चचाजाद अंकल का इंतकाल हो गया, ठीक है, किसने मारा आज तक नहीं पता। आप मुझे ये बताइए जिम्मेदारी किसकी है। अब मैं जाके फिर से एक एप्लीकेशन फाइल करूंगा बाबरी मस्जिद के अंदर में जब 6 दिसंबर के जो दंगे हुए थे उसमें कौन मारा गया, तो कोई जवाब नहीं है इसका। तो ये जो बेवकूफी के काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी देश में अराजकता फैलाने के लिए,
आप फिर भी अराजकता कैसे फैलेगा? आप एक बात बताइए, आप बैरिस्टर ओवैसी साहब की बात कर रहे थे। दानिश कुरैशी, 1 minute sir, people who are watching this broadcast must know the real face of Mr. Owaisi. बैरिस्टर ओवैसी, आप लोग सब बोलते हैं, खुद भी बोलते हैं अपने आप को बैरिस्टर ओवैसी। उन्होंने अयोध्या वर्डिक्ट के बाद बोला था ब्लैक डे फॉर जुडिशरी, ब्लैक डे फॉर जुडिशरी। सुप्रीम कोर्ट, द हाईएस्ट कोर्ट ऑफ द लैंड, डिलीवर्स अ वर्डिक्ट।
यस,
उसको आप बोल रहे हैं ब्लैक डे फॉर जुडिशरी। And you have a problem when someone argues that scrap a law that bars people from going to court for legal recourse. Ratan Sharda, what is this mindset? And I have asked 3 individuals, Mr. Silas, Vivek Srivastav and Danish ji, कि क्या होगा, कोई बता नहीं रहे, because the moment they utter क्या होगा वो expose हो जाएंगे, ये होगा, ये लोग करेंगे।
See, this particular mentality stems from the Article 25 to 30, which is patently against majority community in India, which is patently against their rights for their worship, right to their worship, right to administer their education institutions and nurture their culture. Same mindset goes on. This continuous conflict will never end if we say that Hindus must keep quiet because they are the invaded people, they must not speak. And why should Muslims identify themselves as the invaders? If tomorrow now see, this fellow has been saying Babri Masjid shaheed ho gayi. When you say that court is not right, when you say every evidence is wrong and मेरी बाबरी शहीद हो गई, तो आप सोचिए जब 5000 साल पुराने 2000 साल पुराने इस्लाम आने के पहले के भी जो सारे मंदिर थे उनको तोड़ने वाले लोगों के ऊपर क्या बीतती होगी, जिनके मंदिर टूटे जब देखते मेरे मंदिर के ऊपर मस्जिद खड़ी है उन पर क्या बीती होगी। क्या यहाँ का मुस्लिम अपने आप को इन्वेडर से जोड़ता है?
रियलाइज मत कीजिए ना, जो बोल रहे हैं
उनको समझाइए ना,
सबको पता है
5000 साल पहले इस्लाम
को
भी नहीं
पता,
था।
आप आर्गुमेंट रियलाइज कर रहे हैं।
तो वो जो सारे मंदिर थे,
ये वक्फ बोर्ड को बताइए जो जब इस्लाम थी भी नहीं उसके पहले ये भी मंदिर क्लेम कर रही है, उनको बताइए।
वो गलत है
तो उनको तो फिर
गलत
वक्फ रिफॉर्म को बैक करिए।
हाँ, जब इस्लाम नहीं था और वक्फ क्लेम कर रही तो गलत है।
इसके लिए बल्कि 100 साल लड़े, हिंदुओं ने दंगा किया राम जन्मभूमि में, except some exceptionals, and these people say 1992 के दंगे, who were ruling the government at that time? Your own friends, Congress people. That is where dangas took place. Otherwise there would have been no danga. When BJP government was there was no riot after the result came, but you keep on harping on shaheed ho gayi Babri. So no respect for judiciary, no respect for constitution, and you will speak about it, but you will not say that Hindus will not get their, should also get their rights. You will not say that we don't belong to invaders. For us, this mosque is not important because every mosque built on a destroyed place of worship, I am told in Sharia, is not acceptable.
Yeah, which is why, you know, it won't be wrong to call this the TikTok mindset. Vivek Srivastava, India has banned TikTok. You know, mindset abhi bhi hai. माइंडसेट यही है कि यू कैन टॉक अबाउट चाइना बट यू विल नॉट टेक अ पोजीशन। सवाल तो सुनिए सर, सवाल तो यू वांट टू आंसर विदाउट द क्वेश्चन। अब प्लीज गो अहेड, बोलिए।
यस, जो 2 कमेंट्स मारे हैं आप लोगों ने उसको सुन लीजिए।
कौन सा कमेंट?
कह रहे थे साहब कोर्ट में, सुन लीजिए ना सर, आप कह रहे साहब कोर्ट में जाना सबका अधिकार है, कोर्ट में जाएंगे, कोर्ट में जाएंगे। ये इश्करण भंडारी बह रहे हैं, ये आर्टिकल 35 के ऊपर आगे जो कि जुडिशियल रेमेडीज की बात करता है। जुडिशियल रेमेडीज कब होती है? जो फंडामेंटल राइट्स क्रिस क्रॉस होते हैं। यहाँ पे कानून बन चुका है इश्करण भंडारी जी, उसका रिव्यू होना, उसको चेंज करना, उसमें जुडिशियरी और लेजिस्लेटिव का क्या रोल है। आप वकील हैं, आपको पता होना चाहिए।
विवेक श्रीवास्तव सर 1 minute, if you have even cursory understanding of how the constitution works, you won't be saying this. You won't be saying this.
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लॉज आपको भी अभी
1 minute
बता दीजिए आर्टिकल 35 क्या है, आप बताइए प्रणेश रॉय। आर्टिकल
The right to legal recourse is guaranteed to everyone. Ishtaran only underline 1 minute. Vivek Ishtaran, just 1 minute. I just want to make one point. 1 minute. Vivek Srivastava, you know what you are doing is trying to mislead. Not the anchor, you can't. You are trying to play tricks with the viewer. आप मुझे ये बात बताइए, आप लोग जो बोलते हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में, 1 minute, एक तो रतन शारदा ने क्लियर कर दिया कि जो ओरिजिनल फ्रेमर्स थे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने, उन्होंने वर्ड सेक्युलर नहीं डाला था, बाद में डाला गया, उसमें तो कोई डिस्प्यूट नहीं है, उसमें कोई डिस्प्यूट नहीं है, इट इज सेटल्ड।
दूसरा सवाल,
आई एम आस्किंग यू 1 minute. Vivek Srivastava, listen to the question. I am asking you one question. On what basis Congress and the so-called ecosystem of individuals like you are arguing that if there are any changes to this law, peace will suffer? On what basis are you making that point? And then Ishtaran will answer.
Repeating it again and again, the same question. Now please listen to me. Number 1, when Islam came to this country, अब चुपचाप सुनिएगा जरा 10 सेकंड, तो एक बड़ी मात्रा में जो दलित और बैकवर्ड थे वो कन्वर्ट हुए, उन्होंने इस्लाम को अपनाया। एंड जब एक न्यू फाउंड फ्रीडम मिली इनको, तो देयर वर क्लैशेस बिटवीन द न्यूली कन्वर्टेड मुस्लिम्स एंड द सवर्न्स एट दैट टाइम। तो बार-बार एक तो फॉरेन इन्वेडर्स और इस्लाम वर्सेस हिंदुइज्म मत करिए।
विवेक श्रीवास्तव, you have to after the show go back and read history.
दूसरा सवाल, बाबरी मस्जिद किसने तोड़ी? बाबरी मस्जिद किसने तोड़ी? उसके डेमोक्रेसी को प्रणेश रॉय।
Yes, thank you.
I condemn it, sir. I condemn it. I condemn it. I condemn the people. 1 minute, sir.
Do you support democracy?
I don't. I don't support democracy. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. I support democracy. There's no democracy in China, by the way. Ishtaran.
Yes, thank you. Pranesh, as I started by saying, you can try to teach Vivek law, but how do you teach him common sense? कि Article 32 कहां से आया? Because a law has been made and that law is violative of your fundamental right, that is why you go to court. Please read the constitution, not only the Communist Manifesto. Then you will understand how law works. Governments make law. That law citizens feel is violative of fundamental right or on any other ground. Then they go and challenge it in court. Same way this Places of Worship Act has been made, but it is violating the fundamental rights of the citizens. That is why it's been challenged. And in my mind, the challenge will succeed. The Parliament, of course, has the power to do away with this law. If it does not, the court, I believe, the petitioners will win this because it takes away the basic heart and soul what Dr. Ambedkar called, that is the right to go to court. आपको इतना डर क्यों लगता है लोग डॉक्यूमेंट्स एविडेंस लेके कोर्ट चले जाएंगे? Why are you so
इनको
anti that?
डॉक्यूमेंट से डर
Please
लगता
answer
है,
that.
इनको ये नहीं बता रहे कि जो लोग बोल रहे हैं ये सड़क पे आ जाएंगे, कौन लोग हैं, कहां से आएंगे, क्या लेके आएंगे. But let's see what happens in the Supreme Court. Let's see, more importantly, viewers, what the center submits in the Supreme Court. They must walk the talk. Let's move on.